This is a Kenmore oven and stovetop, the type with no knobs and just a touch screen. You can find the model number here. I like to put a towel down so I don't scratch any surfaces. You can see here that the display is glitchy and non-responsive. I'm going to show you how to trade this board and display out. I like to use a multi-tool driver for appliance repair and a magnetic tray for keeping my hardware organized. There's a link in the description below. Before disconnecting any wires, it's a good idea to take a picture of them. After removing all the wires, there's only 4 screws holding the board down to the rest of the display. Remove them all. Here's the old part next to the new one. The part number is here. Tutorial will work for any similar stovetop oven model, but if you're looking for this specific part number for this specific model, it's no longer available by the manufacturer. But if you do a deep dive on Google, you should be able to find it. I got this one off of eBay. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll do my best. We're very busy with Appliance Repair American, but I'll do my best to get back to you. Get out and get some, people. It's a beautiful day.
Cool. Look, it works.